Good morning. So how is Meredith? I know she's doing great though.
She's taking it in stride, Judge.
Yeah.
I, on the other hand, have like a strange one-sided sunburn from being out there helping her out because my left side was facing the sun most of the day.
So on this case, you have all discovery?
I think we do, Judge. There's a lot of it still coming through it all, but I think we were set today for the state to make an offer, which they've made one.
Okay.
I need some time to discuss it with my client, and the pros and cons of doing it.
How old are you? 27. 27?
He also suffers from some mental health issues, so we want to coordinate with his care team on it as well.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a plea deadline date in 45 days.
Perfect, Judge. Thank you.
April 27th.
All right, we'll see you back on April 27th. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Jewel Lujan.
We're just requesting a reset, Your Honor.
Okay.
Conferred with the state, and they wanted to do some classes up front for potential plea bargain, so that just need a reset.
Where is he?
Is you on? Sorry.
All right, come up. So have you received all discovery?
Yes, Your Honor.
And what classes are they asking for?
The DWI intervention course and the VIP.
And the BIP?
VIP. VIP.
VIP, okay.
Right.
And then what is something going to happen with this case or?
Yes, but depending if it does the classes, will determine the plea bargain.
All right, and how long is it going to take him to do these classes?
30 to 60 days, perhaps. I don't know.
Yes, I have no information. I don't know how they're in the classes.
All right, you should be able to get that done online and get it done quickly, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 60-day reset for a plea deadline date.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
May 4th.
All right, we'll come back on May 4th. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Who's next?
Me again.
All
And that would be on Alicia Jimenez.
right, what page is that?
She's in custody.
She's page 6, Judge.
All right, Alicia Jimenez.
She's not out.
She's not out, Judge. She's in special housing. She's acting.
All right, who's the prosecutor on this?
It's family violence.
All right, what is happening on this case?
Tender, I was just waiting for if her client had come, that she was gonna talk to her client about it and see if there's any reason.
All right, Norma, I'm sorry, defense, you have all discovered?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, on this, Norma, recall this in 2 weeks for a plea deadline date.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
That I
Oh, no
control
problem.
over that. Okay, so I'm going to sign on this other one and then.
Yes.
March 15th.
All right, who are the parties on Shane Collette?
Right here you are.
Come down, please. Is there an application in this case?
No.
All right, probation, there's no application. Court is calling 2025 CR 012107 State versus Shane Collette. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Brian Kimbrough from Mr. Collette.
I'm so sorry. Can you rewrite a different one?
We saw yellow.
And are you Mr. Collette?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Collette, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
I do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Collette, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
yes, Your Honor.
You're charged with offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, The fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes,
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Collette, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 60 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's a $600 fine. There are no applications, and the state will take in consideration 2025 CC 009268. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
It is, Your Honor.
State? Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any such motion?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Contest, Your Honor.
State any evidence.
Sheet offer states exhibit 1 and all.
No objection.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. Court has reviewed the same. The court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Ask the judge, the court to follow the plea bargain, Your Honor.
All right, the court will sentence you to 60 days in the Bexar County Jail on a 1244. Give you credit for any time served. Taking consideration 2025 CR 009268. There's a $600 fine. Time and money will run concurrent. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Is this supposed to be a judgment satisfied?
I believe, well, I didn't. He tells me he has more than enough time, but I didn't check.
To the clerk, does he have 60 days?
No, I can check right now.
I think he has less, but a 2-for-1. I think it's a.
Also,
Yes, ma'am.
So he has the 60 days?
55 days.
All right, so this is what I'm going to tell you. I know that at the jail, if you're in general population, you receive 2 days credit for every day that you're in, but I'm not in charge of you receiving 2 days credit. The only thing I can tell you is I'm sentencing you to 60 days, and the most you'll stay is 60 days. You understand? But I can't say judgment satisfied for you because you don't have the full 60 days.
yes, Your
They'll calculate.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
I understand, Your Honor. Yes.
All right. Well, good luck to you.
Thank you, Your
welcome.
Honor.
Thank
Your
you.
Honor.
You're welcome. All right, Michael Marshall. Okay, on this case, where are we on discovery?
On discovery, Judge, there are a number of videos. There were different officers that had their body cams in relation to some of the statements he made. So I'm still sifting through that. It does look sufficient at this point, Judge, but we're respectfully requesting a reset for a discovery/plea bargain deadline, Your Honor.
Has the state already gave an offer?
Not yet, Judge. I let them know that I was still looking into the discovery first setting today.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, is 45 days enough?
Yes, Your Honor, that would be perfect.
All right, if I could have a 45-day reset for discovery and for the state to tender an offer. And this is Marshall.
April 27th.
Sounds good.
All right, we'll be back on April 27th.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
All right, Pete Alcantar.
For President, Your Honor.
All right, where is he? Hello. All right, let me see. All right, where are we on discovery?
Your Honor, I've reviewed it. I still have to go over some of it with my client. I'm assuming we have everything.
Was an offer tendered?
No, not yet.
All right, Norma. Recall this for 30 days. And say at that time you need to prepare to tender an offer.
April 6th.
All right, April 6th.
Thank you.
Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you.
Thank you. Alexis Garcia.